Hey YouTube, this is Rescue Museum Park Fan 62. Here, here is my review of Mountain Dew Energy Pitch Black. Now, if you saw my review of Mountain Dew Pitch Black, um, this is the energy drink form of it. So let's get started, shall we? Um, Contains 5% juice. Serving size 1 can. 25 calories for the whole can, which honestly is not that bad. Then you have no fat, 170 milligrams of sodium, so that is about 100 grams more, almost 100 grams more than the Bang I just reviewed. Um, Total carbs, 5 grams, which is 2% your daily value. Total sugar, 4 grams. Included sugar, 0. Added sugar, 0. Protein, nothing. Vitamin A, 140 milli mcg, which is 15%. Vitamin C, 100%. Niacin, I think that's how you say it. 16 milligrams, which is 100%. Excuse me. Vitamin B6, 1.53 milligrams, which is 90%. Uh, Paniothic acid, 4 milligrams, 80%. And zinc, 1.7 milligrams, which is 15%. Um, it contains 180 milligrams of caffeine as as well as immune support and mental boosts. Now it has a lot of the same standard junk that you find in this sort of stuff, so I'm not gonna go into that category. Okay. Here's something I didn't know. It has enough caffeine equivalent of 2 cups of coffee. Probably depends on the coffee. 5% juice. No sugar. Zinc, vitamin A and C, and antioxidant. So let's get started. First, smell. Yeah, it does have a lot of that same smell as when I reviewed Mountain Dew Pitch Black, the soda. Um, all right. Okay, where do I start? It tastes almost exactly like Mountain Dew Pitch Black, which that is a good thing in this situation. But here's the but. It does have that stronger taste to it. Um, I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but that's up to each person. Now, the thing about it is this. If you're going to have one of these, either of the two, have these in moderation because, especially this more than the other one, you can really taste the amount of caffeine and stuff like that in it. Now, for me, caffeine really isn't too much of an issue with this sort of stuff, but for some people, it can. So, the thing about it is this. If you are going to work, let's say, like a late shift or something in that ballpark, I do suggest something like this just because it will keep you awake. And the good part about it is it has way less calories than something like a Monster or Red Bull. Um, because a Monster or Red Bull of this size has in the ballpark of around like 150 plus calories. This only has 25. Um, and a lot less of the other stuff than a Monster. Um, Now, eventually, I am going to do a like an energy drink comparison of each, so so you can kind of see what I'm talking about in this situation. So, okay, price for the two. I will compare these as well here in a minute. Price for this was $2.49. Um, so it is slightly cheaper, but not by much. Do I recommend it? Absolutely. And um, if you can pick it up, you can, but be careful.